Everybody, welcome to this short video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how we can make our external hard drive to read to be used on Mac and Windows. Like for example, I have this one. You see, it's Macstone. I can create new folder, and this one I cannot create new folder. This one can only be used on Windows. It cannot be used on Mac and Windows. So what can we do in this case? Like for example, if you look this, you right click on this one, go to get info. You see, look at the format, exFAT. But if you right click on this one, you go to get info. You see, look at the format, it is different. Windows NT file system. So it cannot be used on Mac. So how can we solve this problem? I'm glad you asked that question. So let us go into it. You just go to search, you type disk utility. So we have all the tools. We have new volume, Macstone. So we want to change the new volume. So what we're gonna do is you just go to erase, and they'll ask you a new name. So I'm gonna give my new name. I'm gonna give this is what I'm gonna give. And for the format system, I always advise you to use this one, because with this one, this system work together with Windows and Mac. There are a lot of things of which in this video I'm not going to really explain it. This one it is required to transfer some kind of file, of which I don't really have broad knowledge about that one. But in this video, it's all about try to format your hard disk the way you can run it on Mac and Windows, the way you can use it both on Windows and Mac. So just go this one, and then they'll ask you want to exFAT, and they want erase. Okay, yes, erase. So you can see the name here have already changed. So you just click here, done. So that is it. So now if we go there, we click, now we can create a new folder. Then let me just call it new folder, and then let me just say let me just say my application. And now if we go to get info, you see the format system exFAT, just like our Macstone here, just like this one. Get info, you see all of them are the same. So I cannot use it on Windows and on Mac. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video. And if you're new on this channel, everyone can code. Subscribe for more videos every time, every day. And until then, see you guys.